Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Microsoft has just released PowerToys version 0.100 for Windows 11. And this update brings some of the biggest improvements we've seen in a long time. Let's take a quick look at what's new. New shortcut guide. One of the standout features is the completely redesigned shortcut guide. Instead of showing a generic list of keyboard shortcuts, the new guide automatically adapts to the application you're using. It slides in from the side and displays only the shortcuts that are relevant to your current task. This makes it much more useful and helps users discover productivity shortcuts exactly when they need them. Command Palette Extensions Gallery. Another major addition is the new Extensions Gallery for Command Palette. You can now easily discover, install, update, and remove extensions from a single location inside the settings. Command Palette was already a powerful productivity tool, but managing extensions wasn't very convenient. With this new gallery, Microsoft is turning it into a much more complete productivity hub. Dock and performance improvements. The dock also receives a big upgrade with support for multiple monitors. Each monitor can now have its own dock configuration. In addition, users can pin system metrics directly to the dock, including CPU, memory, GPU, network activity, and battery information. There's even a new battery widget showing charge status and estimated remaining time. Other enhancements. Power Display now launches faster, detects monitors more quickly, and includes a new max compatibility mode. ZoomIt adds webcam overlays during recordings and supports combining multiple clips with transitions. PowerToys also now runs on .NET 10, reduces installation size by 15%, and delivers more reliable automatic updates. Power Display now launches faster, detects monitors more quickly, and includes a new max compatibility mode. ZoomIt adds webcam overlays during recordings and supports combining multiple clips with transitions. PowerToys also now runs on .NET 10, reduces installation size by 15%, and delivers more reliable automatic updates.